Benefits of painting the exterior of your house all one color. Dear friends, while some people will insist your house and trim should be different colors, that isn't always the case. Many things make painting the exterior of your home all one color worth considering. Some benefits include: 1. Create a unified appearance. Using a singular color for your home's exterior can create a cohesive, unified appearance. It will eliminate any potentially harsh lines for a seamless, aesthetically pleasing exterior. 2. Create an illusion of height. While primarily an interior design tactic, painting the exterior trim the same color as your house can help create an illusion of height. This can be especially beneficial for smaller homes that want to appear bigger than they actually are. 3. Easier maintenance. Having the house and trim the same color is easier to maintain because you don't have to worry about having multiple colors on hand for touch-ups. You also don't have to worry about getting the trim paint on the rest of the house because it will all blend in. 4. A simple, minimalistic approach. Sticking with one color takes the guesswork out of creating the perfect exterior color palette. It allows you to embrace a simpler design aesthetic to create an extremely elegant and minimalist exterior. 5. Make a bold, dramatic statement. Using one color for the exterior is not something everyone is brave enough to do. It is a bold statement that can create an impactful design. Opting for a dark color will add an element of drama and allow your house to stand out from the rest. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.